In primetime news this evening, Bloody June. Police crime statistics show uptick in major crime. Police increase presence in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth amidst increase in robberies. And the Police Federation blasts government over treatment of officers.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, Jamaica is currently rated among the top 10 countries for starting a business. 6 as a matter of fact. Well, the finance minister says plans are in place to improve our position even more. I'll give you the details in the business day.
And from Herman, we'll go to Jordan Fort. What's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, at least two minds in the legal field are, expressing opposition to a likely or a possible denial of Danielle Williams competing for Jamaica at the World Championships if she should get the Diamond League wildcard. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
That story is just continuing, eh?
Yeah, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, do you think the measures implemented by the government are enough to reduce crime?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.